Hi there. What is the best affiliate marketing technique you can use for you to be able to make money through affiliate marketing? Anyway, before I share this technique, it is important to understand what affiliate marketing is in the first place. I'm pretty sure whether you've been reading a blog out there or a website or even watching YouTube videos, you have probably seen traders out there share some interesting links through their content. Maybe on YouTube, under the description box there, people have put some description of that particular video. In addition to that, maybe they have some links talking about the gear they're using in the video, or even so, a link which tie to a product or something they're spoken about in this video. And beyond that, on websites out there and blogs, I'm pretty sure you've also seen those blue links. In other words, the backlinks and also those hyperlinks out there which actually pinpoint you towards different affiliate solutions out there. Guys, affiliate marketing is the modern day's time salesmanship. In essence, gone are the days when an individual out there used to sell a company's product face to face. With this advent in the digital era, high internet penetration across the world, it means more people out there can be able to be reached through the power of the internet. And that's why individuals out there and companies are looking to push their brands to many more people out there by whichever mean. And by the way, a good number of companies out there, for example, Amazon, a good number of cryptocurrency companies out there, some airlines like the British airline, you name it, all these have affiliate programs. In essence, you can assist these companies to be able to lock sales or even get leads, and you're going to be able to get a commission, which is a percentage of either the sales or even a percentage of the fee or the gain these particular companies make. That is what essentially affiliate marketing is. You might be wondering, why has affiliate marketing grown to become popular? Affiliate marketing has really grown to become popular more so among traders out there. Reason being, this is an entirely passive income method of making money. And I'm saying passive because once you put these particular links in your content, you are done. Of course, as long as for your content is up there online, once a person clicks on these particular links, it's going to take them to whichever site out there. And based upon the particular agreement, you can even get a commission by a given lead or even get a percentage of whichever sells out there. Okay? And then secondly, affiliate marketing has also become popular because, guys, this is a way people out there are actually able to make money through those other compounding elements which actually complement their video. I'm talking about, for example, in case you're shooting a video about a given camera and its specification. Once you share, for example, a given link to the site where this camera you're talking about can be found, there's no way you're confusing your audience. In fact, you are just complementing what you've been talking about in your video. And that's a venue of you actually pushing a product out there in a very sleek way. You're not forcing anything on anyone out there, but if they want to check it out, they can check it out through the link you've shared. Having shared that, let me now talk about the 5 key methods you can use for you to be able to approach affiliate marketing with the best technique you can. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. What are the 5 key considerations when it comes to affiliate marketing for you to be able to approach this in the most ideal ways possible? The very first thing you need to consider is actually push products or services which you believe in. What do I mean? Guys, it's gonna be easy for you if you can push a product or service which you 100% stand by and even vouch for. For example, right now I'm recording this particular video to you using a given type of camera, okay? If I can push this camera product, I'll be pushing it because I believe in it and actually I've used it. It is quite wrong, for example, to push a given affiliate link out there and yet, for example, don't believe in it, or even so it is a scam. Because over time, this is gonna catch up with you and you're gonna end up losing your fans or even losing your audience. So push those products, push those services which you believe in, and hopefully you're gonna be able to make an interesting income, and even so you can be able to mold content around this particular kind of product you're pushing, so that actually you can see your affiliate income skyrocket day in, day out. And then the second consideration you need to have when thinking about affiliate marketing, or even so pushing affiliate products out there, is that it is best to bank on high percentage, high value kind of affiliate products. What do I mean? Guys, not all products out here have the same kind of commission or percentage gain when it comes to affiliate out there. And I'm saying so because there exist hundreds of affiliate programs out there. All these come with their own terms and conditions. And with that, it only means, even so, these also come with their own different form of sharing revenue. By the way, you could find, for example, affiliates out there whereby you sharing revenue as a percentage of sales. Okay, sometimes you're gonna get a given affiliate out there whereby you're sharing revenue as a percentage of the gain. You name it. They come in different myriad of proportions out there in different forms. Even some have multiple ways of sharing revenue. For example, the initial onboarding gain, and even beyond that, any subsequent purchases made, you're gonna still be able to make a proportion of these as long as you are the one who brought a given customer to them. So it is best to choose those high value, high percentage affiliates. And I'm saying so because there are those out there which you pushing low value products is gonna call for you to actually push a huge number of products out there before you get a gain. As opposed to, for example, someone out there who's even just banking on 100 customers or even 20 customers. If it is a high value product, also paying a good percentage of affiliate is gonna mean this person banking on this high value product is gonna be able to make more money. So understand that you need to bank on high value, high percentage kind of product for you to be able to make awesome money. And then the third consideration you need to have when thinking about jumping in this particular affiliate space, and even so choosing an affiliate product, is choose the technique you enter in the market with. It could be a free kind of affiliate marketing technique, or even so it could be a paid affiliate. Each of these has its own advantages and also disadvantages, and even so, most importantly, it all depends on how much do you have, and even beyond that, how much are you estimating to get. To give you an example, it will be useless for you to run an affiliate campaign, maybe pay $1,000, and yet you won't be able even to recoup $1,000 in 1 year's time. And yet there are some free methods out there which you could look to use. For example, someone who's making YouTube videos out there, they have the entire description box to themselves. They can also put affiliate links in this description box as they're talking about that particular content that's spoken about in the video, or even so just giving a description to the whatever video that I've shot out there. Beyond that, you can also make maybe something like a comparison out there just to trigger that particular conversation and also lead people to your particular affiliate links. Of course, all this needs to build organically for you to be able to actually make awesome amount of money. Okay? And then the fourth thing you need to have in mind and actually consider most of the times when it comes to you making money about affiliate programs is actually you being consistent with your approach. Guys, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. And just like any other business out there, just like any other income exploit out there, it's gonna take time for you to be able to master the art of making money through affiliate marketing, and even so for you to make substantial amount of money. And with that, you need to know that actually you need to be very, very consistent. You need to be very dedicated to your mission, the approach you're using for you to see any results. To give you an example, there's no way you can have a given affiliate campaign or approach you're trying to utilize and then just 1 month down the line you are giving up. Money doesn't come easily. You need to work at it. You need to continue refining a technique, and then hopefully over time you're gonna be able to actually make awesome amount of money through affiliate marketing. Of course, it's gonna take some time. Of course, it's gonna call for you to continue tweaking your approach, and then hopefully over time you can be able to make amount of money which is actually worth your effort. You need to understand that and also have that in mind very well. Okay? And then the fifth thing you need to understand and also appreciate when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you need to always stay ahead of your competition. Guys, this competition is very tough. I won't lie to you. Think about it. We're talking about there being tens of millions of YouTubers out there. All of these, a good proportion of them actually are putting forth affiliate links. What makes you think people are going to click on your affiliate link out there? And even beyond that, the proportion of commission to be shared is quite a little amount of money. That tells you need to be smart. That tells you need to be ahead of the competition for you to be able to make any meaningful affiliate marketing out there. I'm talking about the commissions to be made through affiliate marketing. I won't really delve much in this. I'm going to make a whole dedicated videos to this particular front, but you need to understand all the time, be ahead of the competition in regards to knowing each of the new affiliate programs out there, understanding how best to tap into a given audience out there better than your competition can do. If you can be able to crack that, then be sure you're going to be ahead of your competition in this particular space, and it's going to mean you're going to be able to make more money than your competition. I hope you've gotten a thing or two with regards to the affiliate marketing approach or technique you can use for you to be able to make money through affiliate marketing. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.